Damn. When the wig don't want to go on properly. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome. My name is Tina. I'm a makeup artist and this is my take on Mimi Choi's illusion mask look. I have been sitting here since around about 2:30 this afternoon. Just check the time, we are now clocking on at 8 o'clock. This actually was harder than I initially thought. I looked up online how to do it. I tried loads of different angles, the shading, and I'm not too sure if I've got it, but for my first illusion style makeup with this random green wig, I never know where I was going with this makeup look. I'm really hoping that I have managed to achieve it in some kind of way. If you like this video, I'm going to be doing an illusion series now on my channel. I've been gone for a little bit of a while, but I just want to bring something new to my channel, something different. So I'm going to be trying illusion makeup. I don't know where I'm going to go with it, how it's going to look, what it's going to even end up like, and if I have to spend hours on this phone filming, I may have to give myself more than just one day. So if you like this video and you're looking forward to seeing some illusion makeup by myself, don't forget to press the subscribe button down below. And also, if you like the video and you think, yeah, for a first attempt, not too bad, give it the thumbs up, guys. Really appreciate your support. Until next time, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you again real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.
In a wonderland without angels, that is how I feel when the mirror shows me a stranger. Yeah, and I know they're just fragments of a world where your absence all I get to see. World where your absence all I get to see.